the bird dog row, what we're aiming to do is keep our hips square towards the bench. So what that basically means is, if I was to get on all fours, my hips are completely parallel to the bench. If I was to take one leg off, this allows my hips to open and to close, like so. But what we want to do is try and maintain that parallel to the bench. So from here, you'll take the leg out, squeeze the glute hard and close your hips so you are square to the bench. When you add in the kettlebell, this is going to challenge your stability. So we want to try and maintain that hip closed and challenge the core by adding the row. And then from here, we're trying to keep that hip closed, down, squared off towards the bench.
It's completely normal if you wobble all over the place on your first couple of goes. Just take time to practice.